You come home from a long day at work. You see the orange cones, the no parking signs, and then you remember the letter from Peoples about an upcoming project.
They get the letter, and right away they think, here we go. Don't think of it as, okay, here goes the tearing up. Let's think of it as, we're gonna get new restoration. These cones and barricades are a good thing. Peoples Gas is now trying to update all our older infrastructure.
We understand that no one looks forward to pipeline work on their street. Our goal is to keep our customers in mind every step of the way and make sure each project is as smooth as possible.
You're going to get a new main line or new piping installed, which is a lot more efficient, a lot more safe.
Then we go back in and try to put things back exactly the way they were or better. We always make sure that we alert the customer well in advance, but when we're done, everything's going to be wonderful.
We're in the process of upgrading over 3,000 miles of pipelines in Western PA. With each upgrade, we're protecting the environment by reducing methane emissions from older pipelines. And we're constantly looking for new ways to use technology to make our processes even more efficient.
It isn't just a restoration, it's actually our whole construction project. Right now, most of our restoration is due to our LTIP program, which is our long-term improvement plan.
Pipeline replacement isn't just about the pipes. There's a lot that goes into the tail end of the job as well. After we replace a pipeline, we complete a temporary restoration so people can begin using the street as quickly as possible. That way, the construction crew can move on to another project and we can schedule the permanent restoration with another team.
Peoples Gas is going forward. When we leave, the people know that we've done a better job.
So, if you see a strip of asphalt down your street or gravel on the sidewalk, don't worry. We'll be back soon. Once the permanent restoration gets started, we'll redo any sidewalks, repave the road, and even do some landscaping, leaving your neighborhood how we found it, or even a little bit better. Check out the Future Work section on our website to get updates about upcoming construction and ongoing projects in your area. And hopefully, the next time you see those orange cones, they'll look a little friendlier.